How to change shields in MonopolyGO. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change shields in MonopolyGO. So if you want to change how your shield looks in MonopolyGO, make sure you stay till the end of this video and find out how you can do it. So we want to open up our application. Now you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and go into your showroom. So just click the button that says my showroom, which is the third from the top. And here are your tokens. So you want to click on the shields in the bottom of the screen. And unfortunately, I do not have any other tokens except for this one. So if you do have, you just click on them, and it will give you a button that says equip, which will be right here where is my green button that says equipped, and you just click on that button and it will equip a shield for you. The other option is on the board. You just click on your shield and it will directly open up your shields in your showroom, and you can do it right there. Basically the same option, but a bit quicker. So basically, that's it for today's quick tutorial. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and goodbye.